ilad. Mamutag sa nitarangan.
Man batag mga besh, mga bay. We're here today in Alegria with our friends, mga bogoy.
Tikoy.
Yeah,
Tikoy.
that's me.
Ako na tikoy, ako yung laapuhan.
Yes! Oh my gosh. Do you see the similarity?
Alright, we are here in Alegria. We are doing canyoneering. Alegria and Badyan. Pero syempre, diri mo masugod sa pinakataas. Diri tanaw.
Oh, sorry, I forget. I'm always looking at myself to see if I'm guapa.
Oh.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna start now.
Yeah, we're gonna go canyoneer. It's gonna be awesome.
Tara.
Okay, let's go!
You know we're not friends, so tell me what are we? You know that I hate this game. You apologize, always say that you're sorry, but why does it feel the same? I used to keep my cool, but when it comes to you, I do whatever you want me to do. I used to keep my cool, but when it comes to you,
Okay, so we have finished up at the Alegria part of our canyoneering tour, and we are now here at Akob, Badyan. Yes, Akob.
Badyan.
Badyan. I was saying Badyan for a long time. Badyan, and we're going to now do the second. Look here. The second part of the canyoneering tour.
Yes, second part.
Second part, same river, and we're gonna end at Kawasan. But first, we need to eat because rice is life, rice power, all that.
Kampai, bye. Kampai. You know kampai?
I don't know, kampai.
Cheers.
Ah, cheers. Okay.
Cheers.
So,
So?
I'm gonna show you what we got.
Oh yeah. Food vlog season.
I don't know how to turn it around.
Who's this in the background? Ako Ixon.
This is our friend.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Bisaya po ni.
Oh, Bisayang.
Bistak.
Yeah.
Sayang dako.
Ikaw di ay. Kabar ka mag-Bisaya. Englishero ni. Turn tours. Alright, anyways, give it
Okay,
a down.
we got some pancit, some rice, and some pork chop. This is my food vlog. Oh, and some coffee, he said. Anyway, hungry, we go now.
Kanta.
I always fall head first when I'm with ya. I never think before I do. I always fall head first, but believe that I'm the fool when it comes to you. I always fall head first when I'm with ya. I never think before I do. I always fall head first, but believe that I'm the fool when it comes to you.
Sige, mamuntag.
Good morning, everyone.
We are now here in
Aloguinsan.
Aloguinsan.
Yes, at the Bojo River.
So we finished up the canyoneering the other day and it got dark before we could finish the vlog. So we're just gonna continue the vlog here in Aloguinsan.
So we're gonna go have some lunch first. We got some nice lays.
I forgot what the name of the flower was, but
It's a birds of paradise.
oh, nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, look how sweet this setup is. So it's just a bamboo bridge between the nipa, Zoe's favorite.
I love Nipa. So we're gonna go continue along the bridge and then get some lunch. They're expecting us.
Tara. What a welcome. Thank you. Salamat kayo. Good morning, mamuntag. Nice kayo. All right. Buko.
Natay buko juice.
Ayos, paborito na mo. Thank you. Grabe ka init. The other day, sige ulan, karon init kayo.
So I'm getting very sustainable vibes from Bojo River, which is awesome.
Yeah, shout out sa ila because reusable straws. Hi.
Reusable straws. It comes in this thingy. This place is very sustainable. Hello.
Oh, mabilis yan ako.
So that was Palina?
Balina.
Palina, which is an age-old ritual here in Bojo River community where they put smoke to wish you good luck for your river trip. So traditionally it was for like to have a lot of fish, to catch a lot of fish, but now it's like to ask the river spirit to give us a safe journey.
Muna ilang gihanda para namo. So salamat kayo. Unsa ni siya ng isda? Gikan dire, dili. Merkado. Balod. Yes. Bangus, murag
Native humba.
native humba. Native manok.
Manok Bisaya.
Pero sagrado Bisaya ni siya kay kung Tagalog tagnok ni siya. Katol.
Tagalog kaya po Tagaluginsan.
Tagaloginsan.
Lagat, lagat, ato ngayong panalitan. Lagat, lagat, dili na to pasipadan. Kadagatan na to adunahan, gasa kini sa kahitasan. Dili na to ang ay kunupon, ang katahong nga madalihon. Ang katahong sa kadagatan.
Wow.
Looks sick.
Okay, so we just finished lunch and now we are going to go out on the river with our sick new hat.
Yes, so we're gonna take the
Bangka.
Bangka first. Go through the Bojo River. It's like 1.5 kilometers, I think. Once we're out there, we'll try to fly the drone. Then we'll transfer to a glass boat. I think the bottom of it is glass, so you can see the corals. And then we go to
Hermit Cove.
Hermit Cove.
And this is our boat.
Say hello. All right.
Let's go.
A minute until midnight. I'm just wondering where you at. Just thought I'd call and wish you good night. I left my key under the mat. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling I go when I said what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
Sige, so nipalimit diri sa glass boat. Glass boat ni siya, no?
Yes, sir.
Kita na mo ang coral diri sa ubos. Sa dagat.
Clownfish. Nemo.
Clownfish.
Atas na kamay, sir.
Kita, dili. Oh. So karon padung na mi dito sa kuan, cove, Hermit's Cove. Hermit's Cove. Og diri sa atbang namo, Negros. Dito mi gikan, dumagyati 10 months mi dito. Sige, so niya na mi diri sa Hermit's Cove. And white sand ni siya.
Very white sand.
Kind of more like shells, pero nindot kayo. And what's a man?
It's a beach. It's a cove.
It's a
It's
cove.
really nice. It's my first time here, but not yours.
Yeah, I've been here 2018, 17, just by myself.
Yeah, without me.
Wala pa ko'y uyab. Anyways, we're gonna hurry and jump in the water. The coral looks nice.
Yeah, so we'll show you what that looks like.
And then we'll head back to Bojo River.
Practice my freediving skills. Hey.
Alright. Ligo na ta.
Keep dancing in the moonlight. The shadows cover up my sins.
So we just got back to the Bojo River dock. And now we're going to have snacks. And the first thing is first, it's tablia, or how do you say? Sikwati. So,
Sekwati, bami, budbud,
budbud,
poto.
puto. All right.
Poto maya.
So this is the sikwati. Oh yeah. Pure chocolate.
Pure.
Oh yeah. Carson is flying the drone, so he will have his sikwati in a minute.
Salamat, salamat, bisita. Walay sumunin yung kaayo. Salamat, salamat, higala. Walay sumunin yung kaayo.
Daghan salamat kid. Bansay kayo mo, bansay. Thank you. Grabe. Whew. Sige. So, when we did sa Bojo River, we are gonna head back to Mualboal.
You got a meal?
Oh, putot di ay.
I'm putot. Yeah, we're gonna go home now.
Yes, nagpasalamat yun mi sa mga taga Bojo. Nindot kayo dire sa unsa gani ang
Aloguinsan.
Aloguinsan. Yes. So ani mo dire kay tiada kayo. And salamat sa inyo. Thank you. Sige. Sige. Salamat sa pagtanaw.